Hi, my name is David. I'm a community organiser for TCC, Together Creating Communities, based in North East Wales. We're a community organising group working with our 40 member groups, tackling social injustice. For our latest campaign, we are calling for the removal of all barriers along the Wales coastal path, managed by Flintshire Council, allowing access for all. The current barriers are greatly limiting access for disabled people, mobility scooters, larger cycles, double prams and other users. And the Council is in breach of the Equality Act 2010 as it is not taking steps to address barriers that impede disabled people. Specifically, we are collaborating with Cycling UK, the FDF Centre for Independent Living, Sustrans Cymru, Disabled Ramblers UK, Wheels for Wellbeing and Chester Wheelers, actively listening to people with lived experiences on the impact of the barriers on the coastal path within Flintshire. Let's have a listen to what impact the barriers are having.
The difficulty for me is that I can't go out on my own anywhere. I have to have somebody with me. And to take somebody with me costs a lot of money for support work. At the weekends, the average price is £25 an hour, and during the week, it's about £20 an hour. So just for me to go out for a short walk with my dog would need assistance like that because I can't access these barriers on my own. So it's preventing me from enjoying the countryside, pushing me more towards having to go on the pavements and the roads. You know, these walking paths would be ideal for me to be able to have a safe journey out, take my dog like everybody else does, and enjoy the time in the countryside for my own health and well-being. I get very low and depressed about it at times, especially the weekends when I've got nobody with me and I'm isolated and I'm stuck at home because I can't get out and enjoy, when we do have the good weather, just to access places where everybody else can go.
My name is Jennifer Ward and I'm a local lady who's lived in Flintshire for 45 years through neurological conditions and became disabled about 16 years ago. I used to ride all the way to Chester on the Wales coastal path with my husband on our bikes. But since I've become disabled, I can no longer do that because the A-frame barrier is blocking access for disabled people. I took the problem to my local community councillor, Councillor Debbie Owen, who's an independent councillor in Flintshire, and lots of other organisations, disability positive organisations have got involved. And we're all getting together to raise awareness of this issue.
If you'd like to know more about the campaign, please visit our website www.tcc-wales.org.uk. Diolch yn fawr, thank you.